lighter color. This is my renal cortex. Or this. It's granulated. I have granules. I have those dots all around. Those are the sites for my glomeruli. If you remember, we have cortical nephrons and juxtamedullary nephrons, which are going to be all located in here. So those tiny dots are the sites for the vessels in your kidney tube, around your kidney tube. Then you will see those dark structures. See here? Those are your pyramids. All those are your pyramids. And those pyramids are actually, you don't have only one row of pyramids. You have pyramids on different levels. So you might have a section in here of this pyramid, of this level. Yeah, you might have passing through the middle like this one of another pyramid. So you have many layers of pyramids forming my medulla. All this together is my renal medulla. It's formed of pyramids and the sections between the pyramids.
So the medulla is the line itself, but
all this layer is my renal pyramid. Is renal medulla.
medulla. Okay.
And the triangular shaped structures, the structures that build up the medulla, each one of them is my renal pyramid. The tip of the pyramid, you see, this is a free one. So when we did the section, we did cut the minor calyx connected to it away. So this will be a papilla, but if you want to see here, let me check if I can find a good tip of a pyramid for renal papilla. This is going to be directly connected. Do I have a scalpel here?
Yeah.
And I got him yesterday.
Where's the patella?
What? The papilla.
I thought that's the renal pyramid.
Yeah. The papilla is the tip of it. Yeah.
Oh, that's the tip?
Yeah. It's the tip of the pyramid.
Oh,
You can see on the drawing. Yeah.
Okay, I see it. Okay, yeah, it's the tip of it. Alright.
So this one, you have one here, you have one here, you have one here.
See on here.
Yeah.
It depends on like.
The tip of the pyramid, you see this tiny hole? And the tip, this is the tip of the pyramid. This is my papilla, and it's gonna be directly getting the urine into my minor calyx.
Okay. So
See
that hole
small,
is the minor calyx.
yes, exactly. So you see on here, small ducts. Those are my minor calyces. So they will fuse together, forming major calyx. Minor calyces would form together major calyx. Multiple major calyces, 1, 2, for example, will form this funnel-shaped duct. You see? Funnel-shaped tube here. This is my renal pelvis, which will conduct the urine out through the ureter. All right. So we're looking here. This is my renal cortex, renal medulla, renal pyramids, tip of a pyramid. This would be the papilla, minor calyces, major calyces, renal pelvis to the ureter. That you did actually cut it in this part in half. So you have half of it on this side, half of it on the
So
other
we
side.
don't need to find the column?
Yeah, and this here, you don't need to find the column. This is actually the space between the pyramids. Right, you see, I am looking on the inside of the pelvis, on here. So you did cut part of it, you kept part of it.
Okay.
So this is inside of the renal pelvis. You see, it looks like a funnel here. All right.
Do we have all of the words that we need to label?
Renal pelvis, major calyx, minor. Do you have minor?
Oh no.
Minor, major.
Yeah, we
Major, papilla, medulla,